How to share your Etoro account on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your Etoro account in WhatsApp. Easy. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro, and after that choose those three lines here in the top corner, and after that you have to choose click on your profile picture, and here is the profile. Now if you want to share your profile, just click here in the top corner on this icon, and you will be able to share your profile on WhatsApp just from here. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.